guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Divine. I'm a musical file, minominak, drummer and a keyboardist. I have been for many years. I started making these videos as a space for music lovers like myself to check out our favorite artists and break down some of our findings that make them so fantastic. Make sure you follow us on Instagram at the Perseverance Reaction in order to recommend your favorite singers for us to react to. Hey, you killed it, you killed it, you killed it. Are you freaking kidding me? What's up YouTube? Hope you guys are
feeling good.
Today guys, we are back again to the video guys, and we are my beautiful guests.
It's a makeover.
My name is Divine guys. Today guys, we're going to react into Trueno BZRP Freestyle guys. Session 6. This is going to be our first time hearing this guys, so just give it a try with you guys. You know how I do it.
Talk less over it and react more.
Let's get into this video.
Yo, es el trueno padre con el visa. Hey,
Trueno. Okay.
yo, ponen reggae y empieza la sesión. Sueno mejor cuando agarra el micrófono. Yo soy chino, Maidana, soy un campeón sin cinturón. Si te metes en el mar, cuidado con el tiburón. Estoy muy lejos de casa, pero cerca del millón. Todos esos rappers hablan, pero ¿quién carajo son? Hijos de mil putas, ¿cuánto escribieron la canción? No sé si tienen razón, no sé si son mi son. No sé si tienen voces, sabes quiénes son. Yo nunca los vi, no te ven ahí, manito, sabes que yo lo hago así. Yo soy un perro, vos sos un wannabe, yo lo hago así, gano porque sí, porque tengo flow, porque tengo free, porque tengo hit, porque tengo mil de ideas para matar un hill, pero con rimas y con skills para darle en la face, dale de nuevo y poner play. Oh my god, haciendo todo lo que quiero adentro del game. Me aman y me dan replay, como digo yo, what you gonna say? Esos rappers son todos ninjas jodiendo con el sensei, no creo que puedan. Estoy arriba en la vereda, hey, cuando y donde quieras. Flow que agarra y pega, soy el estratega. Esta rima es maestra y por eso llega. Por eso mi rap te defenestra haciendo todo lo que quiera.
Dude, pardon me guys, I freaking love this freestyle. This freestyle is amazing. No break. Like, there was no space. It took a break, guys. It took a break. Serious. This guy is freaking good. I love this freestyle, guys. Really smooth. How was it for you?
His talent is raw. He just kept on going. Like he blew my mind, guys.
Very confident.
I love his style. I love the way he's singing. Like I said, with so much confidence. The guy playing his instrument, he's good. The instrument is just giving his rap skill a wonderful rhyme. Guys, this is so good. I'm loving his performance. Wow. This is our first time checking him out, and I really want to check out more of his videos already because he's good, guys. He's so talented.
This is really beautiful, guys.
Siempre estoy tranquilo, siempre estoy fresco, haciendo flow en el vinilo, me lo merezco. Cuando me buscan mi flow, desaparezco. Así que solamente, ey, yo permanezco en la cultura hace unos años. Por eso que ahora quiero dejar toda la batalla, pero lo sigo haciendo porque solamente mi ego lo pide y todas mis agallas. Mis rimas no fallan, puta, solamente me parece que vos eres la mantarraya. Yo soy un tiburón, tengo el estímulo, aunque en un cinturón fallan. Todos esos raperos, ey, se me quedan en cero. Piensan que Trueno se traba, pero la rompe porque empieza de nuevo. Flow real, soy como más huevo. Yo sé que no soy nuevo. Tienen demasiado falso para querer ser gacho. Todavía no son huevos. Se me rompieron todas las gallinas. Yo lo mando directo para la cocina. Mi flow y te mata, sé que te asesina. Soy el en tirar rimas, en hace todo lo que quiera, maniga. Seguro que me da hasta mi vecina. Por toda la música que pongo encima. Mi flow en serio, papito, y hasta China. O en el Japón, no sé más, bro. A veces no modulo, a veces juro ser el mejor de todos, pero me doy cuenta que no, porque supero todo lo que antes ya me pasó. Soy el primero en hacer la que casó todo el mundo entero cuando empecé a rapear yo. Así que no me digas what you want, que pasó, que lo hago muy bien, mi negro, el tren se te pasó. En la última estación, mi negro, yo sí tengo el don. Lo hago tranquilo porque tengo flow y porque lo hago en la base, porque tengo todas las clases, porque tiro los mensajes, porque tú no lo haces, porque tu rap se deshace. Acelera a la primera o a la segunda. No sé en dónde está, pero sé que tú no te da una tunda. Estamos haciendo music si mi flow tiene la funda. ¿Acaso somos guachos de calle? No te no confunda.
I love it.
This is lit, guys. Like, I am freaking amazed. He's really young and he's at this level. I'm really amazed by that, guys. This guy has a very, very big future in music, guys. His flows are smooth. His freestyle, guys, it is really beautiful, guys, to listen to. I really love the lines. Every part of it was really good. After checking it out, guys, it's just really smooth for me. I enjoy myself. Listen to his freestyle. How was it for you?
This is wonderful. I love his rap skill. Like, he literally did not take a break, guys. He just kept on going on and on and on and on. Wow, he's so good. He's wonderful. His talent is so raw. Like I said earlier, the guy is good. If you keep on going like this, like, sooner or later he'll be the best rapper we have seen, because he just kept on going. I love his rap skill, his rhymes, his rhythm, everything just going accordingly. He have this wonderful style and talent. Guys, I'm very sure he's going to go places, because I love his diligence. Like, has he started like this, he's going to continue the way he is, and he's going to go places, definitely. The beat is good, guys. I love the beat. The beat is just so nice. Just kept on going, make me move my body. Guys, this is a wonderful performance. I love his style. I love his vibe. I enjoyed every bit of it. It was amazing and unique.
Guys, I love his confidence while he's rapping, his freestyle. It feels like something he does regularly, like freely. And it took no break, just going freely. Something, actually, he's enjoying himself, guys. I feel that about him. He's really happy while doing it. And I love how he's excited and doing what he loves, guys. It is really beautiful, guys. Comment down below your first time here in this music house reaction. Give us a thumbs up. Share this video to as many as can. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, guys. You know how to do it. We'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you stay safe.
I just want a bag, like an old lady. I'm backwoods smoking, I don't own papers. Pass that 808, that don't shake her. Oh, bitch, you know I'm grinding like a pro skater. Baby mama bugging, I'm so quick to hit ignore. Buku bitch in my bed, I got scales all